My therapist once said low risks will lead to low rewards and high risks will lead to high rewards. Guess what Bonai and I chose? You guessed it right. We chose the hill we were willing to die on, which was high risks. So welcome to this vloggity vlog as we drive down to Durban and see what happens. So here, this was a mini roadblock and we still didn't know what was ahead of us because we didn't know what was happening. We were just shook, like I know. This little snow, why are we stuck here? I get it, and I love how we're so shook when I move. Even it's not that deep. Is it now? How pretty is the snow? I mean, as a Joburger, anyone who's from Johannesburg will tell you, Sana, we really struggle when it comes to such weather. Not that we want to stuff, but hey.
And I got to say,
This is such a beautiful thing to witness and just, take it in and rejoice in it.
The snowflakes fall like whispers in the night. We're driving through the quiet, pure and white. No maps, no plans, just you and I alone. Our headlights cutting through the icy unknown. Behind in this frozen time, our hearts align. With every mile, our worries fade away. In this snowy dance, we'll find our way. We're on an unplanned trip where the roads are untold in this winter wonderland.
Do they not have take out heat? Can take a Chevrolet. Because if everybody that's a melee, just A1. Why do you love the lack of a year? I feel like 500 meters. Oh, I know it was bad. Yeah, I know. But at least by even though you are not he's so good, like he's so good. At least it up under something. There's no experience that is bad for now. Same. I never Go Canada. We'll never go Canada. You can't tell me otherwise. Listen. What? And that's all. That's on her. We are driving in the snow, and guys, we are loving it. You can't tell me I'm not in Canada right now. Guys, we are somewhere in France. The Midlands. Ooh. We're in France. It's so pretty, like regardless of the things that are happening. But you're great. I love it. I wouldn't have had it any other way.
Same.
We would have had a normal normal trip,
drive,
but like nah. Drizzle, a drizzle of snow.
The coffee's brewing, the air is fresh and clear. Life is full.
Rona,
it's fine.
And every day feels new. Friends are always near. Laughter fills the air. We share our hopes and dreams. It's crazy.
so guys, let me tell you. I get it, the roads are closed, and then there's an oil truck that decided to explode or whatever it did. I mean, I feel like that guy was just trying to spite us, because what do you mean? We are all jigging because of that one guy. If he was tired, he could have just stopped on the side of the road and rest.
And there was no need
But
for him
to cause an accident. Like, why are you causing an accident? Like, already you can see that we're angling each other. Yeah. Okay, but N3 is open, so we're gonna use N3. And when we came this side, N3 was closed for over 2 days. For 2 days. So if this one was open, we are trusting the process, the universe, God. We are lucky girls. I can tell you. We've got to take pictures, guys. Wait, guys, have you ever driven in snow? Do you have an experience of some sort? Hell no, you don't. You don't. Oh my God, we're the luckiest girls in the entire world. When are you gonna have this? Because it's not like we're gonna go to America
and hire a car
and drive. Do you understand? What are the chances? Yeah, but it's a record. Oh, delete me. How else Victoria Lena? On the open location.
Grateful heart fight. Woke up to the sunlight warming my face. Grateful for the love, the joy, and the grace. Every little moment so precious and true. I find my peace in everything I do. Grateful heart shining.
He's selling an ice to the Eskimos. Wait, this is interesting. Actually, this guy is selling ice to Eskimos. Trust him to be right by the snow. Love it.
But I take it slow, appreciating what I have, letting it grow. In every smile and every prayer, I find the strength to keep moving away. Grateful heart shining through the dark. Every little blessing leaves a mark. In every breath I find
Do I have 2 rands? Kiddies, now we're having our dinner. Very much excited.
Pie from Shell.
Is this your bird? Oh yes it is. O ka re ba se chale di tire at this rate. Why would they allow one car to go at a time?
Because ba sheba gore lona le tlise di drugs because I care baba maybe ba nka advantage go etsa di drug mulling.
Ha mara ga di re Amy if na se chakolo A1. Go 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 go.
Entering average speed check zone.
Go taxi go. Go taxi go. Go taxi go. Why itse a tsamaye? Why a santsana batla go botsa? Bathong.
Sure. After this vehicle, do you see that vehicle long over there? Just give it a space in between.
Oh, I must give it space.
Yeah, just give it a space in between so that the vehicles cannot head up.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jeva, just wait for the vehicles to move.
So okay. Get up my. Get like first space.
Yeah, I get do you see the other one?
Yes, I come
I
with
said
it.
out, then you
Yes.
start to move.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks.
Hey, no wonder it took a bit longer for like cars to finish.
Nkosi yami.
Hayi unjani?
Shame. Hayi nizoba strong.
Sesifikile.
Nizoba strong.
Grateful heart,
Emergency travel show. Kuhlela morago mo tsa cause the way o jive.
grateful heart.
Wa bona mo ikato e tsang lo kuba.
Woke up to the sunlight, warming my face. Grateful for the love, the joy, and the grace. Every little moment, so precious and true. I find my peace in everything I do. Grateful heart, shining through the dark. Every little blessing leaves a mark. In every breath, I find my way. Thankful for life every single day. The world moves fast, but I take it slow. Appreciating what I have, letting it grow. In every smile, in every prayer, I find the strength to keep moving aware. Grateful heart, shining through the dark. Every little blessing leaves a mark. In every breath, I find my way. Thankful for life every single day. Grateful heart. Grateful heart. Woke up to the sunlight, warming my face. Grateful for the love, the joy, and the grace. Every little moment, so precious and true. I find my peace in everything I do. Grateful heart, shining through the dark. Every little blessing leaves a mark. In every breath, I find my way.
So when we were at the garage, we didn't buy like a lot of snacks and stuff. I don't know if it was 10 billion only, but for some weird reason we thought that anyway we were going to I don't know, stop at a garage and Diaz or two, but I don't know what we were thinking. But anyway, so we got aid, we got water, biscuits, chocolates, and all different type of snacks, which was just your South African citizens who decided that they were going to go out and help people. This is one of those things that make me believe in South Africa, that we do come together when it matters. And it was such a beautiful thing to witness. And oh man, partly South African, I must say. I mean, I guess it's one of the reasons why I wouldn't leave South Africa like for good, or hey, and yes, never say never. But anyway.
Waking up to sunlight streaming through the blinds. A new day is dawning, leaving worries behind. The coffee's brewing, the air is fresh and clear. Life is full of promise, nothing to fear. Life is good, we're living in the moment. Every breath a gift, every heartbeat golden.
Because what if I'm not personally squad I'm so happy. And not once were we scared. Yeah, no, we're cool. We were like, oh, we'll see.
In this crazy world, we find our peace. In every simple joy, our happiness increases.
There's a track.
Every breath a gift, every heartbeat golden. With love all around and dreams that
I like it going
life is good.
Thank
and
you.
every day feels new.
Thank you.
Through ups and downs, we find our way. With every challenge faced a brighter day. Grateful for the now, for the
Oh, we made that game. Because that's a quite 11. You know, at least to us, my la have a tag at least the garage. I know more FM. Oh, I can watch the frequency I change it as we go. Oh, yes. Why singaphumi ngaphandle? Why singalala emakhaya? Ake mthatha asifuni ukuphuma ngaphandle. Why ningaphumi ngaphandle? Asifuni ukuphuma ngaphandle. Why ningaphumi ngaphandle? Asifuni ukuphuma ngaphandle. Why abaphumele ngaphandle? Nakhona obatla khulitsa, obatla rebule. Other rights, living in JTC, lady, what that pneumonia, please. Really entertaining, look that. But to be entertained by us, and this girl is so shy. Like, I'm not gonna see them ever again. You get, like, I don't know them, I've never seen them in my entire life, and I'm not gonna see them ever again. We've been together for the last 24 hours. We know each other even now when you are stuff like this, because now it's during the day we are greeting each other. At night here we were just they were letting us go in. Now they you know guys, we fought each other and then you remember I fought beside you when
If I were to get asked, Bana, What's my biggest strength? I would most definitely say patience, because we've been stuck in traffic. We've been stuck in traffic to a point where we were like, at this point, we might as well just, you know what, enjoy, have fun. And it was more of an adventure more than it was what it was. So we've been having so much fun. My friend is amazing. Love her so much. And sure, the drama along the way, because I love entertainment, you know. Some people were faltering and fighting with the metro cops, and the way, you know what, it was just a whole thing. And you know, Bonang and I will make up scenarios and go with the stories, and that's what made the whole thing even more fun. But yeah, it's been such a beautiful journey, I must say. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. I know it's a very long vlog, but hey guys, it is what it is. You watch what you can. Hey, you really watch what you can.
Let's keep on living with hearts open wide. Embrace the journey, enjoy the ride. Life is good in everything we do, cherishing each moment with a sky so blue. Waking up to sunlight streaming through the blinds. A new day is dawning, leaving worries behind.
We are within. We have arrived here by Zimbali Estate, and it's about to get lit. It's very much late. It's around after 5 p.m. Hadikale, we're super tired, but yeah, we're just gonna do our best with what we have. But yeah, it's gonna be a very short night for us, because anyway, you know, but we don't have enough time, which is a problem. But anyway, let us have fun. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry.
That we care. In this crazy world, we find our peace. In every simple joy, our happiness increase. Life is good, we're living in the moment. Every breath a gift, every heartbeat golden. With love all around and dreams that we pursue. Life is good, and every day feels new.
So guys, now let's go through a house tour. So this is at Zimbali Lodge, or Zimbali something, right? I forgot the name of the thing, but yeah, it's whatever guys. So when you go in, you have your kitchen, and you can see it has a fridge and all the other stuff. Guys, I don't know, man. Like, I feel like at this point, I mean, we know, like we can see it ourselves. And then I have already shown you the balcony. It's very beautiful. These are people's actual houses. Not all the houses here are holiday or they rented out. It's people's residence. It's a residential area. So yeah, man, such a beautiful place. We're here.
Oh, in December. Oh, okay.